Hello,
Hello.
Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, I'm Ruchi Gupta. I'll be your class trainer today.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm sorry I'm a little late for the class. I was taking another session actually.
Yes, that I see. Yeah, no problem, ma'am.
Okay, so let us start with our session.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you what we are going to do in this 30 minutes class.
Mm-hmm.
The main agenda is first to make you understand how we conduct online private classes.
Mm-hmm.
So their class is exactly based on how we conduct a fluent life class.
Mm-hmm.
Then we will assess your training need, where exactly you face challenges with your language. After that, I'll give you an insight on a curriculum and how we are going to plan your study based on training need. And finally, we'll discuss a roadmap to become an effective communicator, what kind of changes you will see in your communication skill post the program.
Okay.
So, this will be the main agenda. Let us start. Tell me something about yourself, Mohammed.
Yeah, myself Muhammad, and I am by professional. I am software engineer.
Mm-hmm.
I am working in software company,
Mm-hmm.
and the reason I have joined this Fluent Life because I want to improve my communication skill because now moving forwards I am no more a developer. Now I'm forward for team leader where I supposed to deliver the training to my juniors, so that it that is that so that is I need some communication skills so that I can deliver this knowledge to my team leader also, to my junior also. So that's why I am learning this. I joined this platform, and I joined Cambly also. So my Cambly session is also going on, and
Okay.
I joined Chris Americo's session also. So yeah, so these two session also I have joined. So it's been 1 month, and it's
Mhm.
been I joined Cambly also.
Okay.
Mm.
So, how you're finding Cambly?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. It's amazing also because actually the way they are giving that subject knowledge, it's also awesome. So I'm getting a lot of things from Cambly also.
Okay. Okay. Now, I would like to understand, Mohammed, what do you think? Where exactly you are facing challenges with your English language?
Actually, I am facing some challenge because I am not confident by speaking in English, and something like I have limited. I don't have much knowledge. If you give me some any kind of topic, I don't have that much of knowledge about that subject, about that topic. So I want to learn this. I want to elaborate more thing about their subject and that topic, and second things, and when I'm talking with any person, some kind of mother tongue influence is also there.
Hmm.
So as I'm from Gujarat, so some kind of like mother tongue influence is also there. So I want to eradicate to those things, and I want to speak like fluent speakers. So
Hmm.
that's why I am planning to learn this kind of things.
Okay. Okay. Let us do one thing, Mohammed. Let us do one speaking activity.
Hmm.
I just wanted to understand your training needs in detail. In the sense, I want to understand how you are expressing your ideas. Where
Okay.
exactly you are facing challenge in the terms of sentence structure or vocabulary.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So I'll give you a topic. Try and speak on that. Let us
Okay.
see how you are expressing your ideas there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm. Mohammed, tell me, what do you think? What are the advantage and disadvantage of social media?
About social media, yeah, in social media, if you see like in social media, we are like people are using Facebook, people are
Hmm.
using Instagram. So
Hmm.
there are lots of benefit is also there. If you want to like if you are running some kind of business, if you want to like if you want to sell some kind of business, if you want to like advertisement of your product, so that this is one of the best platform where you can where you can promote your product also in social media. And
Hmm.
there are different, like there are also some kind of disadvantages also there, because there is no any kind of security, because
Hmm.
people will there is no any kind of privacy also. People will see you what you are doing now. They can see you what kind of where you are, because everything is available in your profile, what you are doing in profile. So there is some kind of security problem. There is no any kind of privacy is there. So
Mm-hmm.
these are also the disadvantage of social media also.
Okay.
Mm.
So basically, you're saying that social media we can promote our business. Very good medium to do that.
Yeah,
As well, like disadvantages, security issues.
yeah, security issue.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah. I mean, your data is not very safe.
yeah. The data is not going to save.
Mhm. Any other ideas? Any other
Uh,
thoughts on social medias?
any other media? If I can say like about social media, like uh, hmm, what we can say, like, yeah, if you want to like if you want to looking for any kind of job opportunity, so
Hmm.
where you will get a lot of content from them. If you want to learn some new thing also in social media, you also there people are some people of in social media, people are also means discussing their story about articles reading any kind of, they are means discussing about their knowledge, or they are
Hmm.
discussing about their story about anything about his life. So where you can learn a lot of things, and you can learn a lot of things from the social media also.
Yes,
Hmm.
correct.
Hmm.
We can learn a lot of things from social media.
Yeah.
We can upgrade our knowledge. We get to know what people are, what experience people are coming out with. So
Yes.
people share a lot of their experience, their knowledge with us.
Yeah.
It actually helps us in our personal as well as professional life.
Yes.
And recruitment, again, recruitment is also one very good advantage of social media. People get to know different vacancies. They can
Yes.
apply through it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. What I can find from your speech, Mohammed, basically we need to work on your expression of your ideas. How you can express your ideas concisely.
Mm-hmm.
Like in short, how you can express your ideas very effectively.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So that is one requirement. And second one is to work on your vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Okay.
Yeah, use of correct words while expressing your ideas.
Okay.
So this is what I basically require. Find out your requirement for the training. Working on your vocabulary, enriching your word power, and then teaching you how to express your ideas very effectively in few words.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Okay.
What you have spoken about social media, I can just summarize in 4 5 sentences.
Okay. Yeah.
Like a good medium to promote your business.
Mm.
Digital marketing is a very strong tool for social media.
Mm-hmm.
Then you connect with people. You learn a lot of things from social media. YouTube, a strong platform to learn anything new,
Mm-hmm.
upgrading your knowledge, as well as a lot of people share their experience, their articles, their learnings that help other people also to learn and upgrade themselves, upskill themselves.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
And
Got
its
it.
disadvantages, security issues.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Anybody can invade your, get your details,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
use those details.
Hmm.
So these are the 5 points which you have discussed. So
Okay.
this is what basically I was telling you, that you need to work on your expression of your ideas, how you can express it concisely, very effectively in few words.
Mm-hmm.
So that is your main training requirement.
Okay.
So I'll tell you how we are going to work on that. Mohammed, in our course, we teach a lot of techniques of speaking and writing,
Mm-hmm.
right? We teach, there in English, there are a lot of techniques of speaking and writing.
Mm-hmm.
Now, why we teach techniques in our courses, what our observation says that when people have to speak in English, first they think in their mother tongue and try to translate it.
Okay.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
these translations are never correct. People
Oh.
struggle with correct words, correct sentence formation, and that is the reason that fluency doesn't come in their language.
Yes. Yeah.
They
That's.
fumbles and they pauses.
Yes, I'm agree with you, ma'am. These things.
So that is the reason we teach different techniques of social, speaking and writing in English.
Okay.
Now, these techniques actually help us think in English.
Mm-hmm.
Once
Okay.
we develop our thought process in English, then we never struggle with our fluency.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right? Now,
Yes.
that's how we teach. Now, whatever technique or strategies which we are going to teach you here, we are going to conduct a lot of activity based on those techniques.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just teaching you one technique and forget it. No, we will tell you how to use that technique in your language. What is the practical application of techniques?
Okay.
And once you conduct activities on that, once you do some activity based on that technique, you will become comfortable using that technique in your language. So
Okay.
this is the reason why we teach first, to teach you technique to develop your thought process in English, conduct various activities based on that technique to help you understand how to use that technique in a language. So our course is more or less activity based course rather than just a theoretical course.
Okay. Yeah.
If I teach you a lot of theory, it will not make any sense unless and until I will not teach you how to use it.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That is the reason why we have made our course a very activity based course.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me share with you the curriculum and I'll tell you how we are going to work on your language. This is how the curriculum looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Mohammed, with your level of language, what I suggest you go for a 3-month course.
3 month course. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Now, in these 3 months, how we are going to work on your language and how we are going to address all your training needs.
so ma'am, 30 minutes is enough for 3 months
Yes, 30-minute classes for 5 days in a week.
in a video. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Monday till Friday, every day you will have 30 minutes class.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Right? Now, how we are going to work on your language, let me tell you.
Mm-hmm.
The moment you enroll for the course, we are going to send you one English diagnostic test. A
Uh-huh.
very simple test, but this test helps us understand your level of language, whether it is basic, intermediate, or advanced.
Okay.
Based on that, the entire course will be customized. The entire study plan will be based on that diagnostic test.
Mm-hmm.
Now, in the first month, we work on your speaking fluency. That means we are going to work on the core area of your language. We are going to work on your vocabulary, fluency, pronunciation, grammar, and sentence structure. Everything we are going to teach you in first month. Now, how we are going to do that? For your vocabulary and fluency, Mohammed, we are going to share a lot of reading passages with you.
Mm-hmm.
Your trainer is going to share one reading passage. Read through a passage, you will come across a lot of difficult words. Now, here your trainer is going to guide you the meaning of those words and she will explain you how you can use it in your language.
Okay. Yeah.
Ahmad, in English, we know a lot of words. We know the meaning of those words also.
Mm-hmm.
But when it comes to using it, we get confused whether we are using it correctly or not.
Mm-hmm.
So here we are going to guide you how to use those words correctly. What is the correct way of using, appropriate way of using that word in your language.
Okay.
This way we are going to work on your reading or vocabulary, enriching your word power. Now, while reading a passage, you will come across a lot of different kind of sentences also. How ideas has been expressed in different form of creative sentences.
Okay.
And this will also work on your reading fluency. When it
Okay.
comes to pronunciation, we are going to share a lot of listening comprehension with you. We are going to play an audio clip with you. Listen to that audio clip, understand how the words are pronounced, practice it. In case if you find some difficult words in English to pronounce, your trainer is there to guide you on that. Now, when you spoke to me about your mother tongue influence, in this pronunciation sessions, your trainer is going to guide you how to overcome that mother tongue influence in your pronunciation.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Right? Now, this English diagnostic test will help us understand your grammar needs. So, whatever is your grammar needs, the lessons will be prepared accordingly.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever grammar we are going to teach you here, there will be a lot of activities which we are going to conduct on those lessons. The main idea of conducting these activities is to make you understand how to use correct grammar while speaking and writing both.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this way we are going to work on the core area of your language in first month. Now in second month we work on your language accuracy. That means we are going to work on your expression of ideas. How you can express your ideas very clearly in few words.
Okay.
This is called concise speaking and writing. Expression of your ideas in few words. Now, Muhammad, if I have to share my thought or any idea, I don't have to speak 10 sentences. I can do it in 2 sentences also.
Okay.
For that, I need good vocabulary with me. And second thing, I should know the correct technique of expressing my ideas. What is
Okay.
the best way to express my ideas effectively? So, in first month, when we work on your vocabulary, second month, we will guide you how to express your ideas. What are the different techniques of doing that? Now, here we will work on your writing skills also. Say, for example, if you have to write an email, what is the correct way of writing a short and effective email? What is the content you should include in that? All these things we are going to guide you in second month. Then in third month, we work on your interpersonal communication and persuasive communication. Interpersonal communication, how we communicate in our social as well as official scenario.
Mm-hmm.
You have to speak to your senior, what is the correct way of starting that conversation? If you have to speak to your team member, communicate your ideas to your team member. All these things we are going to guide you in interpersonal communication. And then comes your persuasive communication. Persuasive communication means how to express your ideas so that people agrees to your point of view. Mohammed, this persuasive communication is little difficult because people have their own thought process, mindset, how to change it.
Mm-hmm.
But with correct language and technique, you can change that. And we are going to teach you all those techniques of persuasive communication in this session. And as you said, moving forward, you will be handling a team. You have to guide them, you have to train them. All this training, guiding involves persuasive communication. How you can express your ideas so people agrees, understands that what you are saying is correct and how they can follow it. So we are going to guide you everything in persuasive communication. This way we are going to make your 3-month study. Any questions, any queries here?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay. So let me tell you how we conduct the session. This is how a typical week of Fluent Life looks like. You will have half an hour session with your trainer 5 days in a week. Now these sessions will be live one-on-one session, how I am having right now with you.
Okay.
Now in these live sessions, your trainer is going to cover whatever we have discussed in our curriculum.
Okay.
Now second thing, the moment you enroll for the course, you will become a member on a Telegram group. Now in this group, you will be connected with 10 to 15 other people. And we conduct debates and master classes with this group. Now the main idea of having this group session is it develops the confidence of people to speak in front of a gathering. Sometimes people develop their language very well, but when they have to speak in front of people, they get really nervous. So here we are trying to provide you with that public speaking forum that will develop your confidence. Second thing, debates we are going to conduct on various business topics. This will enhance your knowledge, enrich your knowledge also. And these master classes, we are going to take sessions of interpersonal communication. We pick up a scenario of interpersonal communication, guide you how to do conversation in those scenarios, and there'll be a group activity. So this way, we conduct debates and master classes once in a week, and you will have live session with your trainer 5 days in a week for half an hour each.
Okay.
Any questions, any queries here?
No.
Okay. Now, as I told you, go for a 3-month course. Mohammed, you will be a member of this group for next 1 year. And that 1 year subscription we are giving absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay any extra money for that. So once you work on your language, you become really fluent in your language, still participate in master classes and debate session every week for next 1 year.
Okay.
It will definitely refine your language as well as, confidence level. Now, the main idea of our course is first to work on the core area of your language, basically address all your training needs. Also provide you with a platform of public speaking, enrich your knowledge, and thus make you confident in your communication. Mohammed, when I talk about communication here, we are going to work on all the 4 aspects of your communication. And that is speaking, reading, writing, and listening. This course not only refines our speaking skills, but it also refines our reading, writing, and listening skills. I think it is important to speak fluently. Nowadays, it's a need of the hour today, I guess.
Yes.
At the same time, it is important to read, write, and listen efficiently. And this course refines our communication skill as a whole.
Okay.
Any questions, any queries you have?
No, I don't have any questions till now.
You're clear with everything?
Yes.
So when you are planning to enroll for the course, Mohammed?
So first, I have now I think you completed all everything. So I have 2 to 3 questions. So first question is, who is my trainer? First of all,
that depends on how soon you are enrolling for the course. And second thing, very important, what time you want the classes to be conducted at. Based on that, we assign the trainer.
Okay. So again, okay, no problem. So means it is only one trainer for all the time.
Yes. You'll be getting one trainer who is going to work on your language.
Okay, and so means 5 days live class.
Yes, 5 days live classes, one-on-one, how I am having right now with you.
Okay, and Saturday and Sunday sometimes master class.
Master classes, every week master classes will be there.
So every week master class is there.
Master class and debate, 2 sessions. One is master class and one debate. So Saturday and Sunday, one sessions of master class and debate will be there.
Acha, means that means 7 days classes are there.
Yes, 7-day classes.
Okay.
And the duration of this master class and debates will be somewhere around 1.5 hours, because there will be 10 to 15 participants in these classes.
Yeah. Okay.
So
can I record the session or not?
Recording, you can ask your trainer. She will record and give it to you.
No, I can record my I can also record the session also.
No, we are on Zoom, so that right will not be given to you.
Yeah, that I know because I have the subscription of Zoom also.
Mm-hmm.
So means I have other software also because I can record the session also. So that okay, no problem. So
No,
that
no, that if you want, your trainer can record and
yeah
give you
record.
the.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, she can provide you with that.
Okay, okay, no problem. So so what?
Otherwise, the content will be available to you on your student portal.
Yeah. So what about you? You can you please tell me about yourself.
You want to know about my
Yeah,
qualifications and all?
yeah.
Okay.
Means since how long you are teaching in this field? Or
I am basically an HR professional. I'm a training person. I'm a training professional from last more than a decade now.
okay, yeah.
Okay, so I conduct sessions on English language as well as I conduct sessions on soft skill.
Oh, so you are English tutor, means English teacher.
I am an English trainer as well as I'm a trainer of soft skill.
So what about you when you are free?
Mohammed, that doesn't depend on me. Actually, it depends on the company. Once the student enroll for the session
Mm-hmm.
and they tell the timings, what are the suitable timing for them to attend the class, that at that time only that company decides which trainer they are going to provide.
So then I'm asking you what time you are free.
My sessions are booked right now.
So your session is free. So your session is book.
Yes. So
Okay.
that is a reason like we cannot even if I say okay Mohammed my tomorrow session is free you can enroll and take 7:30 before you enroll somebody will else take my session.
Acha.
So then it will be very wrong on my part to tell you okay this time is free and you take it and somebody else will take it then it will be difficult for me. So that is the reason the company decides and they give the trainer.
So it will be very good if the same trainer will take the means demo session, so that they can know me because now how he or she can understand where I am.
No, it is not like that, Muhammad. The thing is, I will whatever training needs I have found out today. I'm going to make a detailed report about of that.
Acha.
That report will go to the your trainer. First thing.
Acha.
Second, when you give your diagnostic test, that test report will also come to the trainer. Now she will keep both the reports and then plan your study. So once before getting you on board, she will have the entire idea of your training needs.
Acha.
So that is how we work.
So you are busy for 1 month or two
No,
months
my training sessions, some of my students are for 6 months, some of my students are for 3 months, some of my students are for 1 year.
Okay.
So that is how it works.
Okay, no problem.
Don't worry, you will be getting a very good trainer. That
Yeah,
I can assure you of.
yeah.
You'll be getting a very good trainer.
That kind of confirmation I want, ma'am.
Yes, yes, that I can assure you. And one thing also I want to make it very clear that see, sometimes you will get a very good trainer, but you are not able to understand her way of teaching.
Mm-hmm.
It happens that how I am teaching, you might not be able to understand.
No, I
In
understand. I can understand that.
No, no, I'm just saying some of my students they might not understand, right?
Because
So in
because as I see, like, because it's been 3 months I'm continuously learning English,
hmm,
like 4 hours because I joined Cambly as well as I joined Chris Americos. So where
okay,
there is a 24 hours classes are there, like you like
hmm,
we are discussing now. Same
hmm,
kind of session is also going Chris Americos, so that
okay.
I understand that the way you are teaching is very the means the kind of tutor I am looking for, that I find, and that things you can I can connect, that kind of connected. And
Yeah, that is what I'm saying that you will be getting a very good trainer. Yes, that is what exactly I'm saying. Sometimes how a person is teaching you, you might not understand. That connectivity doesn't build up.
mm-hmm,
In that case, Mohammed, just send one message and you will get a new trainer.
mm-hmm.
So that facility is there that if you are not able to understand, you get a new trainer. But that situation will not arise. That I can assure you. You'll be getting a very good trainer.
Okay, okay, then ma'am, this is good. Okay.
Okay. So I will ask the counselor to connect with you. You can discuss the commercial part with the counselor.
Yes, ma'am, no problem. I can join
Any
immediately.
other questions if you have, you can ask me now.
No, no, I don't. Every questions you have asked me, you tell me about the answer, ma'am.
Okay. So I will ask the counselor to connect with you. You can discuss the commercial part with the counselor.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye bye.